Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I appreciate you. New viewers, you gotta subscribe so that you get awesome recipes like this one. Today, we're doing an appetizer because it's fall, it's coming into the holiday season, everybody's entertaining, right? So we're gonna make a very easy spinach and onion dip, and we're gonna serve them in bread bowls. You could certainly just serve them in a serving bowl. Let's talk about the bread bowls actually first. These are sourdough loaves that I've just cut out a hole and then ripped out the rest of it in the middle there, and we'll set that aside because that's what we'll dip into this. And I've got 2 of them. I actually have 4, so if we were having a party, I could have more that I could just cut up into pieces and keep using the bowls, or we could make multiple bowls. I like doing small because this way I can send them around the house for different people to get at and not have everybody having to circle around one. So we got 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 package. This happens to be Lipton, but it's just an onion, a dry onion soup mix. And then 10 ounces of frozen spinach that I have let thaw. And then as you can see, it's compressed down. So what I did was I threw it into a really thin towel and wringed it out so that I get all the moisture out. You don't want any moisture in here because that's bad for the dip. You could use paper towels too if you wanted. So that's all there is to it. I'm just gonna mash this up and get it so that it starts combining. And once it's combined, we'll have it ready to chill so that we set up for the final dip, if you will. All right, I got it all combined into kind of a little ball. Again, you could serve this in a bowl as is, but I told you I've already cut out 2 bread bowls. So I'm just gonna slap this right over into here and just mash it down in. And the same thing on the other side. And that is all there is to it. Nice and easy, and a perfect little appetizer for a party, entertaining, or just a big meal like Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. Time for a little taste testing here. We're gonna have my sous chef help me out. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like. Comments down below. Don't forget to put the bread out with it. Ring the bell for notifications and alerts. And otherwise, check back for the next video. Take care.